Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, George. Hi, Anoop.
Hello. Hi. Hi, Marcela. Good morning. Hi, George. Good morning.
Good morning.
There's no specific agenda for this meeting today. There's not much to talk about. The only thing in mind is Anoop, the Service-fabrik transfer, repo transfer that still needs some troubleshooting to do. I don't know how if you're blocked for that. If you have noticed anything else failing.
So one thing we noticed was, I think some more settings we need some more configuration to be done on GitHub pages. So we use Helm charts from GitHub pages. We store Helm charts in GitHub pages. So somehow that is not working correct as expected. So we are checking that. I was on vacation last 2 days, so I could not check much. So I think I will check. We are checking that.
Okay, well, I noticed with GitHub, I posted in the working group channel, what I noticed with the GitHub pages is that they were migrated, but when you go to see the actual deployments, if you click on a deployment, it's not there because it doesn't redirect the links. The deployment is in GitHub, in Foundry, but the link still points to the incubator. So I'm not sure if that's the problem, or if it's anything else. And I think the documentation warned about that. I'm not sure what's the steps to follow. Maybe you just need to do another deployment or something like that. I honestly never used GitHub pages, so not sure what you're doing with them. But let me know if you need any help, me or Chris Clark.
I think we will check that. Yeah, I think that could be the problem. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah. I haven't configured GitHub pages. So I'm using it, but I also don't know much about GitHub pages yet. So I'm exploring that.
Okay, let me our Chris know if you need any help, and also Chris was going to talk to Travis support to see why it's not working, because the org has an active subscription, but it just fails to run anyway, with saying that it doesn't. So we have to wait on that and see what happens. But then if you see something else that is not working, feel free to message in the working group channel where we have the thread about that.
Yes, Chris I will do that.
Yeah.
I'm planning to start checking all the integrations by tomorrow.
Okay. Sounds great. Yeah. Anything else from your side?
So me and Sodhi, we were discussing about the project, the timeline, roadmap.
The roadmap, yes.
Yeah. So what we saw was that now we have less contributors for Service-fabrik, and now most of us are working on stability and security mostly. I think for next 1 quarter also, mostly we will be working on security topics. Upgrading the libraries and running scans and figure. So we ran some scans internally and figured out there some upgrade plans, and we are working on those. So as of now, we don't have a clear roadmap. per se. So we thought
Well,
maybe
that's a clear
after
roadmap. Like, if that's all the information we can provide, then just maybe a couple of cards saying upgrading this set of libraries, like the JavaScript libraries, or upgrading these other libraries, or running this and that scan, or just one generic card saying working on security and stability with a few of these bullet points. If that's all that is in the roadmap, then we'll just publish that. And when we know a little bit more of what's going to come next, we can update it.
Yeah, okay, then. Yeah, then I can add those in the roadmap, few charts, a few,
Okay, I'll create a project. There's a project. I point you to where to put the cards. And if you want, just place them there and we can review next time.
Okay.
No rush.
So I had seen the cloud service broker project roadmap. So similarly, we need to create one for Service-fabrik.
Yeah, it's just another tab in the same one will be fine. So all the projects from the working group have the roadmaps there. And then we can message in the channel about the roadmap, and probably linked it from the README as well, although we have it in the community repo as well, so we can put a link there in the community repo.
Okay. Yeah. And my colleague Jintu also joined today.
Hi, Jintu.
Hey, hi all.
Yes, I guess I don't have any more. Like yes, I would like to make some progress on that roadmap, but if we can, like in the next couple of weeks, I understand that we now first have to fix CI. Probably is more important. But yes, if it's just a few cars, it could be good. Like then the community knows that the team is only working on that, and any features that we're expecting or would like to see, and they won't see for some time. It's just to set expectations, right?
Okay. Yeah. Maybe one or two cards we can add.
Thanks, Anoop. Let me know if you need some help.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thanks.
I guess if nobody has any open topics for today, we can just gain the rest of the time for us.
I think no new topics from my side.
Okay, great. Nice to see you all. Nice to meet you, Jintu.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Okay. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye. See you.
Thanks
Bye,
for joining.
George.
Thank you all. Bye.